Hi everybody, today we are going to see how to partition C drive in Windows without formatting. When you buy a new laptop which has pre-installed Windows, you see you have only one drive. Now you can see this laptop has only one drive, C drive. To partition this, type disk management in search. So I am typing disk management DISKMANAGEMENT and press enter. Once you press enter, you can see the disk management option is available in your laptop. In this, right click C drive and click shrink volume. Now it is going to analyze and it will be telling you the detail. So here, if you want to partition the C drive for 500 GB, type 400 GB so that the rest will be partitioned for C drive. Now I am going to shrink the C drive of Windows without formatting it. So the pre-installed Windows software will be there, but I am partitioning. So you can see here the partitioned part Windows C drive is shrink to 500 GB. The unallocated 400 GB can be further divided. Right click on it and click new simple volume wizard. You can select the GB you have to allocate for this drive. So let me give us 200 GB. Once I have allocated, click next and you can assign a drive name. So already it is assigned as D drive. You can assign a drive name, then click next. Once you click next, you can see here you can give a volume label. I can give it as personal, or if you can give any name for that, you can give for that particular drive. Then you click next. After allocating the volume label, click next and click assign. Now you can see the D drive has been allocated 200 GB and you have further unallocated space. So D drive, it is named as personal, it is there. So further unallocated space, I am going to make it as a single drive. Right click, new simple volume wizard, click next. I am going to allocate the entire space for that particular drive. It is the E drive. So once again I am going to give the volume label. I am giving a name to it. So let me give a name. So I am giving Pasupati. So once I have named the volume label, click next and click finish. So now you can see the last drive, E drive, it has been formatted and it has been allocated a label name as Pasupati. You can see here. So you can see the three drives, C drive, D drive and E drive. So we have done this without formatting the C drive. We have not formatted the Windows part. You can see here clearly the C drive, D drive and E drive. Hope this video is useful. Thank you very much.